My dear students, I am going to explain you the calculation of compound interest. So the formula is A equals to P into 1 plus Ry 100 to the power T. That means first of all we have to find out amount and then compound interest equals to amount minus principal. Now this compound interest is calculated in three ways. Somewhere it is given annually. So when annually compound interest is calculated, rate is given per annum. In that case, time is constant, no change. Rate is also constant, no change. That means suppose T is 1. So in this case, NR is 5% per annum. So simply we will put the values A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. In place of T we will write 1. In place of R we will write 5. And rest whatever P value is given we will write and we will calculate. But when rate is given half yearly or semi-annually, in that case we have to keep in mind time is multiplied by 2. That means if T is given 1 year, then in the case of semi-annually, T becomes 1 into 2, that is 2 half years. Okay? And rate becomes half. If rate is 10% per annum, then 10 by 2, that is it becomes 5 per half years. Yes? So this we have to keep in mind. And third is quarterly. That means in a year 4 times. So in that case time is multiplied 4 by 4 and rate becomes 1/4. That means suppose if time is given to us 6 months, then 6 by 12 first of all you convert into a year and then multiply it by 4. So 6 by 12 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 4 is equals to 2. So 2 quarter years. So in place of time we will write 2 and rate becomes 1/4 if rate is given 4% per annum, then 4 by 4, then it becomes 1. So in place of R we will write 1 and in place of T we will write 4. That means you have to keep in mind this thing. Then in the case of quarterly, rate becomes 1/4, time becomes 4 times. And we will put the values. In the case of semi-annually or half-yearly, rate becomes half, time becomes double. But in the case of per annum, there is no change. Simply, we will put the values and we will calculate the amount. After calculating the amount, compound interest equals to A minus P and we will get compound interest. Thank you.